Dear readers, today I want to teach you that when you read stories, you're not just tagging along behind the character, you're also looking ahead and imagining what's next. You think about what's already happened to predict what might happen next. Love, Miss Cortade. So today we are going to practice predicting what might happen next in our stories. So I'm going to tell you a story about something that happened to me, and I want you to fill in the blanks for me. I want you to predict what I'm going to say. So one day I was at a birthday party, and after all the kids played party games and ate pizza, we gathered around a cake to sing, yeah, you're right, happy birthday. And then he blew out the candles and we ate the cake. And before we left, he sat by the table with all the presents and he opened them up. Whoa, I feel like you were at that party too. You're doing something now that readers do all the time. When they read a story, they pay attention to everything that's happened to predict what will come next. And we're going to practice that today. Our first book is Curious George Makes Pancakes. Now, let's see. I'm going to read the first page. I'm going to predict what will happen next. This is George. George was a good little monkey and always very curious. One morning, the man with the yellow hat woke George early. "Time to get up, George," he said. "The pancake breakfast is today." Okay, well, let me think. I predict that they're going to a big pancake breakfast and they're going to eat lots of pancakes. Should we check to see if I'm right? Look at that, the pancake breakfast. And let's see if they get to eat a lot of pancakes. Ooh, I see he's smelling it. And I predict he's gonna eat them. Oh, he's helping fix them. There we go. And everybody's in line to eat lots of pancakes. Let's try it in another book. This book is Mr. Putty and Tabby Drop the Ball. Let's see. Chapter 1, baseball. Well, it doesn't look like they're playing baseball at all. It looks like they're just resting and napping. Mr. Putty and his fine cat Tabby loved to nap in the summertime. They loved napping in the garden. They loved napping on the porch. They loved napping in the car. "It seems that we nap all the time," Mr. Putty said to Tabby one day. Tabby was old and her frisky days were over. She loved napping. "I think we need a sport," said Mr. Putter. Tabby opened one eye. Well, he's talking about how all they ever do is nap and that he needs a sport. And I know that on the cover, he's playing with a baseball. So I predict that they're going to start playing baseball. Should we see if my prediction is correct? Well, it looks like he's going and looking for some sports equipment. Oh, he's calling people and he's putting together a team. It says Mr. Putter found his mitt. Now all we need is a team. So it looks like they're putting together a team and they're going to start playing baseball. Do you see how you can use what you've already read in a book to predict what comes next? Now I want you to try doing it in Little Bear. I'm going to read the first page and I want you to predict what comes next. What will Little Bear wear? It is cold. See the snow? See the snow come down. Little Bear said, "Mother Bear, I am cold. See the snow? I want something to put on." Now I want you to predict what comes next. Now remember, today and every day when you read, use this story to think about what might come next. That gets you thinking worrying and hoping. Predicting helps you understand the story better. So today and every day when you read, boys and girls, I want you to try to predict what might happen next.